OMEN Gaming Hub. Installation and tour. The OMEN Gaming Hub is gaming optimizing software that allows you to elevate your gaming experience, personalize your settings and accessories, and get support all in one place. The OMEN Gaming Hub comes pre-installed on all OMEN desktops and laptops that run the Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems. However, if you do not have the app or need to reinstall the app, you can download and install it from the Microsoft Store. Installing the OMEN Gaming Hub. To do so, search for and open the Microsoft Store from the Windows taskbar or the Start menu. Type OMEN Gaming Hub in the Store search field and select the app from the drop-down menu. Click Install to install the OMEN Gaming Hub on the computer. Wait for the program to download. Click Open. The OMEN Gaming Hub launches. When the OMEN Gaming Hub welcome page displays, click OK to explore the Gaming Hub. When the OMEN Gaming Hub launches for the first time, the OMEN Gaming Hub End User License Agreement displays and offers some privacy preferences. It is recommended to select Accept All to adhere to all the privacy settings. However, if you want to adjust the privacy preferences, then you should select Manage Options. Note: if needed, the privacy preferences can be changed at a later stage on the OMEN Gaming Hub home screen. In this case, click Accept All. The OMEN Gaming Hub home screen is displayed. Now that the OMEN Gaming Hub is installed, you can launch it from the Start menu or by pressing the OMEN Gaming Hub key if featured on an attached OMEN keyboard. Touring the OMEN Gaming Hub interface. The OMEN Gaming Hub home screen displays the features that are available on the computer. Note: available features vary based on the computer model and connected accessories. Unavailable features are hidden dynamically. The navigation menu allows you to choose several options available on any installation of OMEN Gaming Hub, such as My Games, Gallery, Optimizer, Camera and Voice Enhancer, and Light Studio. Settings for the computer and all connected OMEN accessories and compatible monitors can be changed within the OMEN Gaming Hub. The My Gear menu displays the computer as well as connected hardware compatible with OMEN Gaming Hub. The Widgets menu allows you to quickly view details, such as system vitals, enable OMEN Artificial Intelligence, check recent games and gallery images, or enable or disable the Games Booster. You can set overlays anywhere on your screen to provide access to system vitals, data monitoring, and quick access to functions. The Active Profile displays a drop-down list of any saved profiles based on your OMEN Gaming Hub configurations that you have set. The Game Controller tab allows you to add new profiles. With the Account tab, you can set up and manage your account, and also sign in or out of your account. The Notifications tab allows you to view and customize your Gaming Hub notifications. From the Settings menu, you can manage your app's main preferences, account details, and hardware integrations. Lastly, if you need any assistance, the Help and Feedback tab provides access to HP's OMEN Gaming Hub support.